How you doing, guys? I'm heading up to work. I'm working. I'm gonna slip up. Love you guys. Love all my subscribers, all my fans. Catch you guys later. How you doing, guys? I'm waiting for my Uber ride so I can head up to work for work. Love you guys. Love my fans. Love you guys. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. Comment below. The word. That's like. I'm gonna subscribe. I'm gonna subscribe guys to do it. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. I need you guys to do it. Yes, also I'm subscribers. Love you guys. I'm a fan. I'm keep grinding. I'm keep grinding YouTube. I'm gonna make it like share positive, you guys. Hi there, you guys. I just made it to Walgreens right now. Catch you guys. Hi there, you guys. I just saw a push right now. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Catch you guys later. I'm sure a push. When people that you down, when people talk bad thing about you, that one. I think guys, I want to say thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and like this video. Catch you guys later.